What is that?
Med school? Med school.
Okay. Please do it properly.
What do you mean? The school's already.
Tell me what is this?
Anyway, it's a subway chat. Anyway, it's a subway chat.
Okay. So what is your favorite drawing you have done so far?
Drawing? My favorite drawing is drawing.
Drawing. Do one drawing.
Okay. And look what they've said. Look what they said.
What is that?
That door for personal only.
Okay. I think the spelling of personal is different.
What do you mean?
It should be N-N-E-L.
What? What place is that? Private or public?
It's public.
Why? But doesn't it look small?
Really?
It's really small.
What is the size?
Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Only 13 passengers can sit.
Only 13 passenger. It is smaller than a bus.
But it's still public.
It is public. Okay. Is it for children only?
Well, anyone can fit, yeah. And here's the deck door. Deck.
Who is the pilot there?
There's no pilot.
Then? Then?
Jenna and the co-pilot forgot to pilot the plane, just serving food. So there's no overcrew.
So? How to fly?
Crash.
So people will scared.
Yeah, just break it and just run away.
How?
This emergency exit.
What?
This emergency exit.
How it opens?
By just pushing it.
By?
Pushing it
How? Tell me.
like this.
Okay. Can you do another plane in which you have at least 300 passengers?
What do you mean? There should be at least 16 passengers. Look, how many passengers are there in this plane?
Please count and tell me.
It seems to be too much.
Is it 20?
Look, how much is fit in here?
You count it and know it.
Yeah, it's called Indigo Airlines. And look at what they drawn.
Hmm?
Look at what I've drawn.
What is that?
Some people boarding and unboarding the trains. And unboarding the planes.
So can you do some demo for announcement, please? Look here and do some announcement. Look here and do some announcement.
कृपया ध्यान रखें इनफान और केयोर जाने वाली प्लेन गेट नंबर 2 पर आ रही है धन्यवाद attention please plane with destination to Infa is going to enter gate number 1. Thank you for your attention.
What about DMRC? Wow, so many drawings. You like drawing?
कृपया ध्यान रखें जनकपुरी बस्ती जनकपुरी बस्ती और केयोर जाने वाली गाड़ी प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 4 पर आ रही है धन्यवाद Attention please. Train with destination to Janapur is going to enter platform number 4. Thank you for your attention.
Which is your favorite station?
Horse cars.
Why? Why? Shall we finish the video?
No.
Then tell something. People will get bored. There is no
Yeah.
sound. Tell me something.
Look! This is the Delhi Metro I've drawn. Doesn't it seem like a kind of weird?
It's nice,
Wow, but this is not how Delhi Metro looks like.
but it looks great.
Yeah, but that's not how a metro train should look like.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and this train's connection is too big.
Mm-hmm.
Like, how will we go from one coast to another?
Mhm.
Just know how long the connection is.
Mm-hmm.
It will like take forever to go to the another coach.
Mhm.
It says Janapuri and Botanical
Okay.
on the signboard.
Okay.
And if this is a diamond, that means it's super fast speed.
Now tell me about NYC.
NYC. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
NYC.
It is NYC.
Yeah, look.
Next.
If this weird plane gets into the NYC face, then NYC would be like.
Okay. Make some announcement. I want to record.
This is
Mm-hmm.
a A-Band Mumbai roundabout train. The next stop is West Hood, 207th Street.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
A.3.25. And this is how the NYC looks. A
What is that?
and the A line.
Hmm?
The A line.
What are you drawing?
The MTR211T.
What?
The MTR211T.
What is MTRT?
R211T.
R211T.
Yes.
What's that?
Yeah, it's a train.
Where?
In the New York subway.
Okay. Lucila Sira,
No?
video is getting longer.
Okay.
Lucila Sira,
No? Nice. Nice. It looked like perfect one. But was that tune sound? Yeah, it's my imagination of that one. And they even have an emergency cord.
Hmm?
Yeah, all MTA trains even have an emergency cord to talk to the driver.
Do not
Lean on door. Do not hold on door.
Why?
Because it's dangerous.
Okay. Lucila लगेगा?
No? First I'll show you how this will end out. It will end up amazing. Now it looks like a new T11 train. It looks good, looking good. Don't forget about the crew's cabin. There's not be able the crew even drive. Right?
Okay, now say something nice. Let me close the video. Okay?
Yeah, this is the exit. This is the emergency.
Now say something.
Yeah, this is the emergency exit.
Okay, I'm winding up. Okay?
Okay.
Look here and say bye bye.
Bye.
Yên hai rồi. Yên hai rồi.
Bye bye.